Nowadays, we have all kinds of destructive signals going on and destructive ways that nature shows to us. So unprecedented, so dangerous, so fatal, that so much pain and suffering for all ages.
Etc.
So I plead with you again, please save yourself by being vegan. Have compassion for the pain of others as much as if it were you, if you were the chicken, if you were the cow, if you were the pig, if you're the fish person, etc. If you were them, think about that. Imagine how much suffering they have to go through for you to put one piece, two pieces in your mouth. It's not worth it. It's too brutal. It's unkind for humans to act on it, to eat it. It's too undignified. It's too below our dignity to kill and eat other living beings. Even if you have to eat vegetables, if you don't know the no pain food, fruits, you still feel bad already, not to talk about eating the kicking, running, screaming beings and putting them in your mouth, your holy mouth, which you should use only to praise God, to praise the masters, so that you can be liberated yourself. Do not believe me, just practice it and you will know what I tell you now is true. It's completely true. It's the only truth that I tell you. I don't ever tell you anything that is not truth. I have to realize them myself in order to tell you. Every time I thought I talked short only, I continue to talk long. Never mind. I hope you can find some benefit through my talk, because that's the blessing of God through my talk that you receive. Not I, not the physical eye, okay? My physical eye is also God's instrument. It's not just a normal one.